Alright, what is going on, guys? SpitefulHopes back again, and it looks like you guys were right. We were getting swimsuits. I'm not surprised. Like, it's a seasonal banner. Might as well go hard or go home, you know what I'm saying? But either way, let's get into it. Orihime, Kukaku, and Yoruichi. Of course, they have to go with the milk sacks. Like, I mean, I'm honestly, guys, I'll be real with you. I've low-key wanted, like, male swimsuit characters for the last, like, 2 years. And KLAB has let me down every single time because fan service ends up winning, which, don't get me wrong, I get that you want to like promote, like, to try to get sales, especially from like the perverts and whatnot, but I mean, like, come on, dude, like, you're doing yourself a disservice by just putting out breasts. Like, I don't know, that's just me personally. I feel like you guys could do so much more if you guys just opened your eyes a little bit, but whatever. I mean, far be it from me to start from telling you what to do. But all right, so let's get into these characters. Shout out to Soldex. He already posted the end of the month information. Feel free to subscribe to the boy. I'll leave a link at the end of this video, literally right here, a little button. Make sure to click it. If you don't click, I'm gonna be mad. All right, so going into it, Yoruichi, power unit, strong attack, recharge, Soul Reaper affiliation with a no affiliation killer. Now that's interesting, because we haven't gotten a no affiliation killer for power since Ulquiorra, and they have not really done much to really bring no affiliation killers to the limelight, right? The only time that that's even remotely useful as of right now is Guild Quest and Inheritance Zone, which I don't really think that's a big deal. Alright, so going into it, 778 spiritual pressure, stupid high. Very above average defense, focus, and stamina, wow. 634 attack, a little lower than average, but the higher SP makes up for it, that's fine. And then a strong attack recharge character, you're not going to be using her now that much anyways. Debilitator plus 5 seconds, no long stride, sprinter plus 1, so she's going to have 4 flash steps. Bruiser 20%, no long reach, means that she could potentially be range. Devastation 40%, slow duration minus 100%. Alright, so, I mean, obviously she has frenzy, that's kind of standard. Normal attack, range, strong attack 1, 2, and 3 are all range. Range full screen. Status weakening on the third, the first strong attack, second strong attack, and her special. Ooh. Oh, yeah, that's gonna be dirty, bro. No affiliation killer with weakening on everything. She's literally just a better Ulquiorra for no affiliation killer. So Ulquiorra seems like he's gonna be a support unit. I mean, this seems pretty good. Her being ranged though. Collision melee range, I mean, it's a vortex, that's fine. Collision melee, and for collision is range for the strong attack 1, so that's gonna be, this is gonna be hit or miss depending on the type of strong attack that this actually is. Magnification 40% means that it's gonna be several hits, but inconsistent hits. I'm guessing it's gonna be something along the lines of a Valentine's Day Halibel. Very inconsistent strong attack 1 in my opinion. We'll see as the gameplay comes out. I'll be going over it then and updating this video. Okay, so Orihime, strong attack, recharge, human affiliation with human killer. Interesting. Another tech unit with human killer. I don't like that. Like, spread it out. Spread out the love, baby. 782 spiritual pressure, way above average. Average nowadays is like 774. If I go up here, like 778, that's above average. So 784, 782, we're pushing that boundary. Above average stamina, defense, and focus, so it looks like they're finally picking that up. 627 attack, meaning that she's probably gonna have frenzy. Yep. Weakened defense on her special, that's gonna be really good. That means that she's gonna be naturally killing stuff. Any status elements? No. Okay, so the weakened defense is literally just so that you can kill quicker. Long reach, 20%, bruiser 20% means she's melee. Devastation 40% on her special, along with weakened defense, means that she's gonna be a boss killer. I don't really. Dang, it's been such a long time since I used boss killer as a term. Slow duration minus 100%. Looks like these guys, do they all have slow duration minus 100%? Okay, I guess that's the wave, I guess. Maybe they'll be doing something with slow duration in the future. I mean, we'll find out later. Her special does seem to heal, which is really good. So 60% heal to the party on her special. Strong attack 3 is a full screen. Strong attack 1 is range, collision, melee, melee, melee. That's perfect. So 8, 16, 24 cooldowns on all her strong attacks. She seems like she's going to be the standard character, depending on what this strong attack 2 looks like. If this is a beam, this Orihime is going to be really, really fucking good. Okay. So, I mean, it's pretty standard tech unit. Human killer is interesting to me because we still don't really have human content in the game yet. But that being said, that could very well change come 1000-Year Blood War. One thing that I don't like though is that if they do, well, don't get me wrong, I'll like it if they start putting in the Quincy's and the Stern Raiders, but one thing that I don't like is that they're keeping this human killer locked behind a huge, in my opinion, sort of like a paywall, because they're all seasonal characters anyways. And then again, I personally just dislike that literally like 60% of KLAB's banners are all time limited banners. Like, what kind of, like, that sounds so stupid in my opinion, but whatever. So going into Kukaku Shiba, mind strong attack damage plus 20 characters. I don't really like strong attack damage anymore because nowadays we have so much stupid spiritual pressure that it's like unfair. So yeah, 774 spiritual pressure. They gave her the least, even though I feel like strong attack damage links should get a little more added value, especially because you're no longer under the strong attack recharge. Strong attack damage links aren't even, in my opinion, viable anymore now that we have Senkaizen links. Ooh, so she is a no affiliation character with a Rancor killer from Mind. We don't normally get too many good Mind or Rancor killers. The last ones that we've gotten were Kukaku and Nelyel, both of which that I don't feel like you should link slot unless they're like your favorite characters of some sort. So I mean, we'll see how this goes. Sprinter, long range 20%, bruiser 20% means she's melee. Devastation plus 40%. Frenzy, debilitator plus 5 seconds. Ooh, 5 seconds, so that means paralysis, weakening. Yep, there's paralysis or freeze. Slow duration minus 100%, we already went over that. Devastation 40%, standard on characters with frenzy. Very high stats in general. Lower defense and focus than the other two, but much higher stamina. 638 attack, almost the average attack for a character with frenzy, and 774 spiritual pressure. So they're trying to balance out the attack. Okay, I mean, this banner doesn't seem overly impressive. Besides, I think that Orihime is probably gonna have the best kit. Then again, Yoruichi with her no affiliation killer is definitely going to be more viable, especially with her fucking 4 flash steps. Like, that's going to be great. But I mean, we'll see how the gameplay turns out. Since she's a range character, lately I've been kind of getting burnt out on all these range characters. Normal attack, range, melee, 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 collision, melee, melee, melee. That's good. That means consistent strong attacks. I'm interested in this magnification, the 100, 100, 100, 120. I'm not quite sure what that means unless it's like a beam of some sort, but a melee collision on a magnification like this doesn't make sense to me, I'm not gonna lie. Oh wait, oh, this is her NAD, never mind. Okay, my bad guys, I'm completely derping around. Alright, so just melee collision, melee NAD. She's a melee character. Paralysis on literally all of her attacks, that's perfect. Strong attack 1, magnification 120, that's probably a lunge. Strong attack 2, vortex, 20 hit vortex. I'm not sure if that's with or without the frenzy. Either way, it's going to be a quick vortex, 8, 16, 24 cooldowns. She looks like a standard character also. I don't really see anything out of the norm besides Orihime being a human killer, the second of her kind, along with Mayuri, New Year's Mayuri. And Kukaku being a no affiliation character with a Rancor killer. From Mind. That's interesting to me. I mean, that's not bad. I'm not saying it's bad. It's just interesting. Either way, none of these characters, in my opinion, really stand out. If Yoruichi had Longstride, I would be like, best character in game. I'd sound like the truth right now, but still. I mean, either way, going into it, these characters do look very, very good, and the character packs are actually going to be worth summoning for. You have, well, not going to be worth buying, excuse me. You have Swimsuit Nelyel. She's not really all that great, in my opinion. I was recently using her in Senkaimon. She's a strong attack recharge 14% link, so that's probably why you would want to buy it. And you get your orbs back if like you're actually pay to play. The value for a character pack is, in my opinion, better than spending $80 for like some potions. Swimsuit Nemu, I think she's very good. I personally don't have her, so I'm definitely going to be buying this. She can auto almost all content in the game that has Soul Reapers, including Inheritance Zone. Raruka, in my opinion, she's probably the weakest of the three. She's fallen off very, very, very hard. If I had a gold Chappie, I would love to test her in PvP, now that Noitora is kind of running rampant. But aside from that, she's kind of... I wouldn't really buy her. I wouldn't really recommend buying anyone here except for Neliel if you really need the link. Like, say you got Chubankai Ichigo, best friend, and then you have Swimsuit Nemu, who, in my opinion, is probably the best in this banner. End of the month, we already went over this. As you can see, the art, we can actually see the art on this. Oh, look at that. Look at that art on Yoruichi. Them abs, bro. Damn. Flex on him, baby. Orihime. What the heck? Yo, dude, the milk sacks is lapped, bro. Damn, y'all even went for the thighs and everything on these characters. Holy hell. Alright, KLAB. No comment. No comment. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it at that. You know, this guy's crying. Don't catch me. Put me up. Stay blessed. Let me know in the comments below who you guys want the most. I know Kukaku is definitely gonna be someone that a lot of people are gonna want because she doesn't really get many characters. This is probably the best Kukaku we've gotten thus far because the other one is a PvP Metal Exchange character. So I know a lot of people are gonna be going hard for Kukaku or Orihime, Yoruichi. Like, these are fan favorites for some people. So I mean, hey man, y'all do you. I'm personally gonna do like 500 orbs on this banner. I don't have last year's swimsuits, so I kind of want to go in. But I'm going to leave it at that. You'll notice, guys, grind on, catch me up, pay me up, stay blessed. I wish you the best luck in your summons. This banner does drop at the end of the month, so the 30... Is there 30 days in July? Or June? Yeah, there's 30 days. So this is going to drop on the 30th of June at Raid Reset. Stay blessed, y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.